So this is how you can remove green screens in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today, you will learn how to use a green screen. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. Now let's get started by opening CapCut. Once we're here, make sure you have your green screen up like how I do. Now just simply tap on it and then scroll until you can see remove background. Now, you have three options: auto removal, custom removal, and chroma key. You're going to want to tap on chroma key and then aim the circle at the green spots. Make sure that it has a green circle around it to see that it works. Now, in the intensity bar, you're going to want to slide it down. The further you slide it down, the more green disappears. So, if you have it like at 10, nothing's gonna change much. As you can see, there's still a few bits of green, but if you slide it down a bit more, the green will totally disappear. Now you have a fully functional green screen item. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment if this video helped or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.